everyone! I unfortunately couldn't make it to class today, so I'm presenting this demo to you over video. And then if everyone whose last names begins with H, K, or R could fill out the attached usability questionnaire, that would be really helpful. Thank you. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a little stand for your chopsticks, a little rest to place your chopsticks on at Chinese restaurants, because I know oftentimes some of the more sketchy places, they don't often wipe down the tables or eating surfaces, and I apologize for my race, but this is a way to sort of mediate that lack of sanitation, I guess. So first thing, obviously, the only thing I think you'll need is chopsticks, a little chopstick sleeve in one of these little takeout things. This tends to work better with these longer ones, and if you have like sturdier, thicker paper, just because it's easier to work with and it'll retain the shape better. Though these like little sushi ones work, they're just more flimsy and it's shorter, so you don't have as much paper to work with. Anyways, the first thing you do is you obviously remove your chopsticks and you set them aside somewhere sanitary, somewhere clean. You could just put it on top of your bowl or plate, or I guess. So you take the empty sleeve and then you fold it in half, once this way, and then you crease it. And then you fold it in half on both sides again by taking each end and folding it inwards. So once that side, and then once this side, so that it looks like this from the side. And so you should have folded it into 4 equal segments. Side note, if you are using one of these like skinnier ones, you can just fold it into thirds, and then that'll probably work better so that the length works out to be sort of almost even. But like I said, it works a lot better with these longer ones. Okay, so now that you have it in fourths, hold it this way, lengthwise, and then fold it once. I don't know how to show you over video. This way, in half, so that you have this little skinny rectangle that's about maybe 2 inches long and then I guess 1 centimeter in height. Sorry, I'm mixing standard and metric measurement systems. After this point, then you unfold that last thing you just made, so just open it back up and then take each corner and fold it down to meet the opposite corner so that the edges line up against each other. So it should look like that. And then unfold it, and then just repeat the same thing with each corner. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Try to get a deep crease, though it's like okay if it's not perfect. Okay, but once you fold it, those corners, each corner down, you should sort of have 2 X's, if you can see. It's like where the corner folds, they just overlap and you have 2 X's. And then you unfolded everything. Once you've done that, fold it back again to, it's like the previous step we have where you folded it lengthwise, so it's this little triangle shape if you look at it from the side. Okay, once you've reached this step, you take this side and you sort of push it down. You might need to push it down. Someone's messaging me, I think on Facebook chat. But it should look like this after you push it inward. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can see it clearly. And then repeat the same thing on the other. And if you view it from this way, it should hopefully have a trapezoidal shape. And then you have these 4 little triangular legs on each side. And then basically at the end, you have it like this. You just push it in the center to create like, hold it both ends with your thumbs and then just push it down to create like a small groove where your chopsticks, oops, I'm off screen, where your chopsticks can rest. So let me hold it up like this. You have your final product. Yay! Sliding. Okay, that was pretty much how to make a chopsticks rest.